Adding a credit card to WooCommerce is a straightforward process that allows customers to make purchases easily. Follow these steps to set it up. Step 1. Access WooCommerce settings. Log into your WordPress dashboard and navigate to the WooCommerce section. Click on Settings to open the WooCommerce settings page. Step 2. Go to Payment Methods. In the WooCommerce settings, click on the Payments tab. This section allows you to manage all the payment options available for your customers. Step 3. Enable credit card payment. Look for the credit card payment option, such as Stripe or PayPal. Click on the toggle to enable it. If you don't see a credit card option, you may need to install a payment gateway plugin. Step 4. Configure payment gateway settings. Click on the payment method you enable to configure its settings. Enter the required information, such as API keys or account details, as prompted. Step 5. Save changes. After configuring the payment settings, make sure to click the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page to apply your updates. Now your WooCommerce store is ready to accept credit card payments. Make sure to test the payment process to ensure everything works smoothly.